Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel and sorry for not posting videos for so long time, but I'm back with another makeup look which is going to be a Karwachauth makeup look. So it is a nighttime look, so I'm going a bit heavy with her eyes. So yes, I have prepped her face and now I'm going to color correct her face with the same NYB palette. I'm taking this orange shade to color correct her under eyes. So the problem is with the aged skin, it loses its elasticity, so we have to prep the face very well. So I have did that, and I'm dabbing this color corrector all over her face wherever she's having pigmentation. After that, I'm moving to the concealing part. I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer to prime her eyelids. I'm using this all over her eyelids as a primer for the eyeshadow. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette. You can use any brown shade to use as a transition shade. So moving on, I'm taking this red shade from SFR Hated with Love Christmas edition palette. I have created a separate video for this eyeshadow palettes review, so please subscribe to this channel to watch that video. It is going to be up soon, so please subscribe and like, share and comment if you like this video. So I am moving on to deepen up the crease. I have taken the black shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and blending it to her crease. I'm taking the same Wet n Wild concealer to cut the crease, and I'm going to make a simple cut crease look. So I'm taking this golden shade from the same SFR palette to highlight the cut crease area. To highlight the crease area, I'm using this pressed glitter from the same SFR palette. I'm applying this pressed glitter with my fingers only to highlight the crease area, and after this I will be moving to the eyeliner part. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner in the shade black. Moving on to the eyelashes part, I'm going to use the Maybelline's Colossal mascara in the shade black, and that's it guys. I have applied the falsies. Move to the base. I'm using Wet n Wild foundation to all over her face and using the same Wet n Wild concealer to conceal her under eyes and high points of her face.
कैसे तुम्हें बताऊं ओ सनम कि तुमसे ही प्यार है, कैसे तुम्हें समझाऊं ओ सनम तुम्हारा इंतजार है.
So here I'm done with the bronzing and contouring part of her face, and now I'm moving on to the blush and highlight.